It was Tell me this ain't cute as shit. Like, this is so cute. I just love it. Hey guys, it's your girl Rebecca, Becky Ade. I have this wig. Y'all see this wig? I'll tell you how I got it, where I got it from, how I did it, and everything. You feel me? Keep watching. This video is on this Amazon wig, and I think it's a banger. I mean, this wig is about, I think it said 28 inches. Let me look at what it says. It says it's 28 inches. It's mad long. I'm 5'10", so it falls like around, like right above my butt. And this is, you know, just me being 5'10", and in the front, let me see how it looks under my boob with a little. Why not? It's like a quick, you know, get up and go. I didn't do too much. I really just put concealer and, well, concealer, the foundation. I think that I was a little nervous. A little foundation in my part. Cut off the lace, and that's pretty much it. And it looks alright, you know. What I like about it, you know, the color, the blue black, honestly, it's actually more vibrant than I thought it would be. I color in person, like, God, this color is hot. It's really a nice color. It's definitely more blue black than it looks like on the camera, but I'll take a picture with it and like try to like get it. It's like a nice density. If you like a natural but still full, it's snug. It actually comes down to each side, and I have like a large head. I have a large head. You know, it actually fits my head, and my head is big, okay? So I like the length, I like the color, the bangs. Cons, I do see it tangling, because as long synthetic wigs do tangle, we all know this. Not an everyday wig though, you feel me? Like, cons, it's not an everyday wig. It's not something that I would say, okay, let me wear every day. But like, if I'm going somewhere really quick and I have a, just slap this on, it's good and go. At the ends, I know with time it will start to frizz up, like with any synthetic wig. But you know, there's ways for you to maintain it, to not make it look crazy. It really has no shine to it, and if you do have a shine to it, you could always use baby powder. I really do love it. If you're looking for like a nice bang synthetic, you're not doing anything wig, you feel me? You just make sure you have a brush. Because like I said, love is synthetic. Synthetic long hair is best to walk around with a brush. So make sure you have your brush with you. If you get this wig, make sure you have your brush with you, and be the bad bitch that you are on a budget. Okay, so.
Oh, bitch.
I really like this wig, and if you do too, go and buy it. The link is in my description below. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. This video, if you like this wig, even if you don't want to buy it, like it, because you know it helps your girl. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. You have a good one.